business tends to make me very uncomfortable. I guess the structure just made me very nervous.
Money is the oil that is needed for your business to function.
The creative industry is probably underrepresented in terms of the volume.
You're doing ready to wear, you're doing ready to wear. What's the difference?
Of the idea of sharing knowledge with younger and up-and-coming Nigerians.
I've learned so much about my brand.
Industry is growing and changing.
Felt the need to invest in people's lives.
Creative industry contributes towards economic development. I'm going to explain what bookkeeping is and explain that it is accounting, but you don't need an accountant to do it.
I'm so inspired by all the work that the Assembly is doing.
What the Creative Assembly is doing with young entrepreneurs is very commendable.
Why are people depressed is because they have big dreams, and these dreams are not getting actualized.
I learned how important it is for me to take care of my body.
Sleep is not for people who are dead. Sleep is for people who are alive. It's so important. And if you want to improve on your productivity, get enough sleep.
I'm definitely going to use the resources that are given to us.
I got way more than I paid for.
Before you collect money from anybody or you say, I want an investor, you need to define or get a persona for who my investor should be.
Important thing is know your investors.
It's really not about being perfect. It's just learning about rebalancing how you handle life and work at the same time.
Whisper, I'm alright, but I see through your white lies. These walls.
What came through during the session is that very often people are running a business, but they're not running the numbers.
The certain amount of self-assuredness